In this video, I will show you the most simple music writing software. I will explain how to download it and also how to use it step by step. If you want an easy way to write music on your computer without complicated tools, this software is a good option because it's very simple, and I will also show you how to start a new project and also how to add notes. By the end of this video, you will know how to use it in a basic way and start writing your own music. Let's get started. First, I will show you how you can download it. You're going to go to any web browser and you're going to search this. And here you're going to press enter. And here you're going to simply click on this link. As you can see, it's now downloaded. We're going to click on yes. And here we're going to accept the license terms. Click yes so we can install it. As you can see, guys, now Crescendo is now installed and we can use it on our laptop or computer. Here I will show you how to use it in a basic way. When the program opens, this is the main screen. In the center you see the blank sheet. This is where the music will go. Now I will click File on the top left, then click New. A small window appears from here. You can choose the type of sheet you want. I will select one and press OK. Now the stuff is ready. At the left you can see different note options. I will select one of the note values from the toolbar. Maybe let's just choose this one. Then I click on the staff to place the note. Maybe here, or maybe another one here, another one here again. You can see it appear on the screen here as I place each one. If I make a mistake, I click on the note to select it, maybe just like this. And then you're going to right click and here you're going to click delete. To add other symbols like rest or change the clef, I use the toolbar at the right side here. I select what I need, then click on the staff to place it. When finished, I click save, and here you're going to simply click on Save as Crescendo Project. And that is how you can download and use Crescendo. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.